What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well today. Thanks for tuning in. So today I wanted to just show you or tell you how to get these Chevrolets into brake service mode. Now, unfortunately, it's not simple for the average person because you do actually need a tool or a scanner to actually get it in brake service mode. Now, I do find that a bit ridiculous because basically what that means is the average person can't do a brake job in their driveway because you need an well, the tool we have is expensive. I know there's cheaper ones, but it's just kind of silly. Basically, what is going to happen if you don't put it into brake service mode is when you go to retract the piston, it's going to be really hard to go in. It probably won't go in. And what that brake service mode does is it unwinds the actuator or whatever's in there. It backs it off so that way you can just push the pin in. But yeah, it's honestly kind of sad that you have to either take it to a technician to put it in service mode, and then you have to use your computer to put it back into normal mode. You can't just like press the brake pedal and hold the switch or anything. It's pretty ridiculous. As you can tell, I'm frustrated because I like when people take initiative and work on their own cars. Even though I'm a mechanic, I don't care. I encourage people to learn about their cars and work on them and do as much as they can with them. But yeah, if you need to do brakes on a Chevrolet, this is a Chevrolet Equinox. I think it's a 2016. So whatever models pertain to this one or are the same, it's going to be the exact same thing. You're going to need a special computer to enter it into brake service mode. Sorry about your luck if you're trying to do it at home and you want to do it by yourself. You know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you could slide some new pads in there, but usually the new pads are so thick that you're not going to be able to put them on unless you retract the piston, which is going to be really hard to do without releasing the parking brake. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you. Have a good one. Peace out. Subscribe for more helpful how-to videos.